You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
Nokia 7.3 is an emerging successor to its predecessors with some upgraded bonus. Supposed to be ranged at a premium tag, the smartphone will be providing convincing features from the latest operating system to adequate 4GB RAM, making it to the wishlist of many customers. Additionally, the sleek design approach when paired with the splendid quad camera setup make it a price-worthy device. Display and camera. Nokia 7.3 smartphone attributes in 6.3 inches, 16 centimeters IPS LCD display. The screen has a resolution of 1080 into 2280 pixels and 400 pi pixel density, which ensures a vivid display to the device. The HD display features a water drop notch design along with a punch hole to showcase the selfie camera lens. Coming over to its camera, Nokia 7.3 features a quad camera setup with 64MP primary camera, a 12MP ultra wide-angled camera, and two similar 2MP macro and depth lenses respectively. The cameras also support night mode, portrait mode and AL scene detection features. The front-facing camera sports a 24MP primary camera, ensuring crisp images with decent video calling experience. Performance and battery. Monitoring the performance of Nokia 7.3 is an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 chipset clocking at the speed of 2.3 GHz, which provides a seamless and lag-free performance. Additionally, Adreno 620 GPU and 4GB RAM maximize the functioning of the device and ensure a hassle-free gaming experience. The smartphone is powered by 4000 mAh battery capacity with quick charging functionality, which provides extended usage and higher productivity. Storage and connectivity. The internal storage capacity of the phone is 64GB, which is expandable up to 512GB via microSD card. The OS platform Nokia 7.3 is Android 10. The connectivity of the handset offers 5G, 4G Volt network, dual SIM, USB Type-C port, Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth and AGPS. Price and release date. Nokia 7.3 price is expected to be around $400. Nokia 7.3 expected to be launched on August 28, but recent rumors suggests that there is a mega launch event planned for fourth quarter 2020, and Nokia is bringing a lot of phones at different prices. This is 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage base variant of Nokia 7.3, which is expected to available in black, gold color. And that's it for today. If you want to keep in touch with the latest leaks and rumors in the tech world, then click that subscribe button below. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.